we're going to find all x values for which the tangent of that is horizontal. Okay, if a tangent line is horizontal, then the derivative is 0. Basically, we got some kind of graph going on here. Where the tangent line is horizontal, the rate of change is neither increasing nor decreasing. It is leveled off. So, in other words, again, what we really need to do in this problem is find everywhere where the derivative equals 0. So find x where f of x, f prime of x, is equal to 0. That's what we're really looking for. So obviously we need to find the derivative. Let's do it. Let's grab a green pen. I'm feeling festive here. Wait, let's put that green pen away. We're not quite ready for the green pen yet. I have an idea. We can treat this like a quotient, or we could treat it like a chain. Either one will do. Let me show you. I'm going to go with quotient. And going with quotient is going to make this f and make this g. Going with chain, I'm going to ramble for just a second. If we go with chain, we would treat it like this. Either one of them will do. If we treat it like a chain, we'll do it that way. I'm not, just don't feel like it. Doesn't matter. Go for it if you feel like it. Nobody's going to walk by and spit on your paper. They're like, you use the chain rule. They won't do that. I know I would. Well, no, I would. Okay, so let's go quotient on it. Quotient. You know what? I'm going to do it in my head, and you're going to like it. Watch this. Check this out. F prime. I was going to make this easy. F prime g. I don't know why I'm writing this. It's about to cancel anyway. 0 times that? Yeah. F prime g minus f g prime. 2x plus 4. All divided by, love that sound, all divided by g squared. Don't you dare multiply that out. That's not foiling, that's torture. Don't, no. Okay, 0 times that is gone, so we have negative 16x minus 32. It's a great sound, I'm telling you. Times all that, or divided by all this mess right here. Boy, it's a mess too, I tell you. Yeah, it's just one awful mess. We want to know where that equals 0. Mr. Reader, how am I going to solve that? Well, let me tell you what not to think about. Normally we worry about where the denominator would equal 0. That's irrelevant. That is completely irrelevant. Where this thing does not exist is irrelevant. Largely irrelevant. What we care about is what makes it 0. You can think about it this way. If you're cross multiplying, you would multiply by this with 0. So 0 times that would wipe it out. Another way of looking at it is this. If a fraction is going to equal 0, then it's the numerator that equals 0. In other words, if you have 0 divided by some number k, well, that's okay. But if you have some number n divided by 0, no, you can't do it. So, we can have a 0 on the top. Let's make sure the numerator equals 0. Let's do it. 32, that's equal to 0. We add 32. We get positive 32. We divide by negative 16. The answer is negative 2. Actually, that was much easier than you might think. There it is. By the way, if you go chain rule on this, you're going to have some reducing to do before you can really get to the meat of the problem.